to install CapCut on your laptop, go to Microsoft Store on your PC. Just type in CapCut, then click Enter or Search. Click the first CapCut app with this emblem. Click Install. Just wait until the app is successfully installed. CapCut already installed. Now let's try to open it. Go to search bar on your PC and search for CapCut. Open, then you can now create your new project. Just click Start. Click Continue. You can now import your videos or photos. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.